Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a scroll to section type link in Hostinger website builder. This is the link type I'm talking about. Let's see what happens after I click on this link. As you can see, I was automatically scrolled to the FAQ section. Same thing with this link below it, go to the FAQ, and also this services or this link on a different page. I was redirected to the home page where is my section, and also scrolled automatically. Of course, you can select any section you want. It should not be this FAQ section. It can be a footer, a header, a different or any section on your website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website, and to create a scroll to section link, it's simple. First, go to where you want your link to link or to forward the website visitor. The first step, select the section or the target section. Click on edit section. This settings window pops up. Go to anchor, and here give this section a name. For example, FAQ. Now close this window. Now let's see how to create our link. Let's say that I want my link below this button, so I will create, or I will add a text element. I will name it my link. I will style it in white. This is optional, this is not required, just for styling. So this is my link here. So now I will double click my link to select it and go to link. This is the link icon, and now I will select from link to, instead of a page, I will select section. Here, since I've already created or I've already named my FAQ section, I will found the anchor or the section anchor here on this list. Select it like that. Now you can select between opening this link in a new tab like that or not, or make your link nofollow for SEO purposes. This is not interesting for us right now. After that, click on save, and let's update my website, and let's view it live. Now, after clicking on my link, I was automatically scrolled. I think the first time it was a direct scroll. After that, it becomes to be a smooth scroll like that. I will repeat it like that. Now let's see how to link to the same section from different places on my website. Let's start with the header. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's start with the header. For example, let's add a link in the navigation here to the same FAQ section. Go to pages and navigation. Here I will add a new link. From here, add link. Let's call it FAQ. Same thing, instead of a page, select section, select the correct section anchor, and hit save. Update my website. Let's view it live. And after clicking on FAQ, I was automatically scrolled there. This time, instead of adding the link above destination section, I will add it below. So I will add it as the bottom, for example. Add element text. I will add it here. Rewrite here. For example, go to the FAQ. Let's edit this text color. Now place it here and let's start linking. Double click the text. Now click on link from this bar. Click on it, same thing, section. Now the important step is to always update your website to publish this change. Now let's scroll down to the bottom, go to the FAQ. It was direct scroll. Now it was an up scroll. Now let's see how to link from a different page, because all of those links were or are on the same page. Now I will jump, for example, to the services page and add my link somewhere, just like that. Oh, let's call it check our FAQ. Make the text white. Now double click the text, click on link, select section, and select the FAQ section. Click on save, update website. Let's view my website live. Go to services. Where is my scroll to section link is added. Click on check our FAQ. I was redirected to the home page and also scrolled to the exact FAQ section. Let's click on it again. And this is how to create and scroll to section link in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.